Hey guys, welcome back. We have already covered using essential oils topically and using essential oils aromatically. This week we will be covering how to use them internally, so ingesting essential oils. It is safe to do so so long as it is a pure oil, and it's probable that you've already been doing so without realizing it. You have probably added oregano or rosemary to a pasta sauce. Um, or when you chew gum, there's potentially essential oils like peppermint or wintergreen in that gum. And when you add zest to a food recipe, that's specifically going after the oils in the peel. All this does is remove the peel, so you're getting just the oil. And Young Living has made it very easy to see which oils are safe for consumption, because not all are. They have made a vitality line. They've separated it out from their other oils and given it a white label. So, yes, it is safe to consume some essential oils. And Young Living has made that easy for us to determine which ones are safe to do so. I will post pictures to show you the difference in the two labels. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I can even help out with some New Year's resolutions and give you tools to help you out there with eating healthier, weight management, workout supplements, cleaning out the toxins in your home. I've got a neat little calendar so that you can do that in over the course of the year, not all at once. So feel free to ask me and I will help you guys get set up with that. I will talk to you later. Bye.